Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is on how to develop a leg power utilizing Tai Chi squats. This is great to help you with your kicking, stability, and balance. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes. Please click like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay, so I was asked in response to a question of some fitness. Tai Chi people are known to have very, very strong legs. So my Sifu coined these as Tai Chi squats. You're going to start with your feet a little wider than shoulder width. We're just simply going to place our arms up, and just like the wall push-ups we did for our triceps, we're going to come out and we're going to drop 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, hold. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. Do not lock out. There's just a little quarter bend. So I'm going to deep breath in as I go down. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, and one more. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. The goal with these, just like the wall push-ups, 50 or 5 minutes, which comes last. So naturally 50 would take longer than 5 minutes, doing a 10-section eccentric contraction. Work slow, start with 3, 4, 5. Remember, the key here is you don't really want to drop below parallel, just bring the legs to parallel. Go slow. If you start to get too much pain in your quadriceps, just take a break. Do not rush with these. Okay? Have a nice day. Train safe.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.